Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a custom action figure using a real photo, complete with a toy box design, all made in Canva. Whether it's for fun, business, or branding, this is a creative skill you'll definitely want in your toolbox. Now let's get started. Okay, guys, so once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to Dreamlab on your left side. We're going to go to the top and change 16.9 to 3.4, okay? Then click Add Image, match the style, choose a file. So find the picture that you downloaded on your computer, okay? Okay, once it's uploaded, click on Use Image. And then the next thing, guys, we're going to do is go to ChatGPT, okay? So what we're going to do, create a realistic figure of a shelf using the uploaded photo. The figure should be full body, holding a spatula, and placed inside a toy-style packaging box with a clear see-through front. The packaging should be colorful and display the name Shelf Bin on the front in bold letters. Okay, guys, so we're going to copy this, and then we're going to go right back to, we'll copy, go right back to Dreamland, and we're going to place it here, okay? Okay, once you got it on there, guys, just click create in the right corner, and let's see what it pulls up for us. Might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your internet connection, okay? This one right here doesn't really look like them, but images 1, 2, 3, and 4 are not too bad, okay? So guys, if you don't like this, you just go back to create in the right corner and click it, and it'll regenerate some new images, okay? So just give it a few seconds again. Let's see what it comes up with, okay? Okay, so I like these two on the end, okay? So guys, since I like this one, I'm gonna kind of hover over the picture, and I'm gonna download this one right here. Okay, we see it's downloading up here, okay, as a JPEG, and download this one right here. Okay, you see it's downloading, okay? You can also come, scroll down to the bottom here, and I like this one right here as well. And you can download, okay? Once again, you can do that. This was cute too, I think. It's a little different, but it's kind of cute. So let's just say you want to edit this photo by clicking on it. So you can go to Magic Grab if you wanted to, and you can, you can, if you wanted to, you can take his spatula away by clicking on it and clicking that, and just Magic Grab. So it may take a few seconds, and then just grab it, right? But it looks better with it on here, right? Okay. All right. So guys, we're gonna do one more. Okay, guys. So once again, we're back in Dreamland. We're going back to 16.9. We're changing it back to 3.4. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add the image, match the style, and let's choose a picture that I've already selected. Open my file. Give it a few seconds. All right. All right, so this is the image I'm going to use, okay? And I'm going to go right back to ChatGPT. I've already had it to generate my prompt, okay? And I'm going right back to Dreamland, and I'm going to paste. Once that's done, go right back to create, and let's kind of scroll down and see what kind of images it generates for us, okay? Okay, so this is cute to me. So I'm gonna download Now I don't like this one because it's got shoes on. That don't make sense to me. But this is cute. These boxes images are cute. This is cute. So once again, guys, you would just download your image. Open the file when you get a chance to your computer. I like that one as well. So these are all cute to me, guys. So guys, that is it. So I just showed you how easy it is to turn a real photo into a realistic firefighter action inside my toy box using Canva. You can create your own. You can also with your children or anyone else. And the best part, guys, you can even sell these as digital products, whether it's for your birthday gifts or just for fun. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.